Doon, dili. Sige. Oh, una ka pa. Parang saktan.
Mateo 19 verse 14. Ang kasayaan ninyo malapit ang mga bata sa akin. Romans 8:18. We know that God makes everything work out for good for those who love Him and follow His plan. First John 4, God is love.
Very good.
Abi na ko cancel Andrea. Abi na ko imuhang kwan kaya dito sa tulog. Pero dagan kay kangalan tulog ka buok.
Tulura ka, boys?
Kang kwan dito ay.
Napa? Napa?
Wala na. Oh, sige, next.
Isa, hanap ko to isa.
Okay, okay.
Balikan
Thank you.
isa, balikan.
Thank you, Papags. Oh, Papags.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Wala. Ada part. Damay si Lord. Basa na na.
Mm. Sige, linya ang naa.
Romans 10:9. Say with the mouth, this land is Lord. Believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead. Then you will be saved.
Okay.
Philippians 4:13. I can do everything with the power of Christ who gives me strength.
Naa mo lagi daghan? Okay. Okay.
Genesis 1:27. So God created man in his own likeness. He created them in the likeness of God. He created them as male and female.
Very good.
Kusga, kusga.
Kusga. Kadili ko ka.
Ado, kusga ka na makadungog. Okay.
Tibing.
Tarang!
Okay. Muntay sa dito, dito wala pa kagano ni ma'am.
Ate, oh. Okay, wala na?
Wala na.
Okay, very good, clappers.
Kamu wala na may mga birthday.